I am not hearing nothing at all. Nothing at all. No, I'm not getting no calls at all. Nobody calling me. Nobody saying anything to me. Jamaica, I am desperate. I am desperate. I'm seeking you to come on board with me. I need the nation. Mighty God, I need help. I need help. I'm looking to you. Nothing, I'm not hearing anything. Nothing to bring comfort. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I'm wondering, where do we live? Is this Jamaica?
We pledge ourselves
to
liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness was said. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's off all of me dogs in the streets. I do road this a lunchtime. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time. All who day I won't post on the tear and the other face tough time. That's what it. Just hold up your head and I nothing for your giant them your rough time. Simple thing to a giant. Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness does elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Come and send about the fret, youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The long term of success will feature. Fly prison don't give me the visa. With jailhouse man a star and cleaner. The dirty might have but we cleaner.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, you see this video right here, wanna see Meddikk mother a ball out in a Jamaica. I say help, she need help. But me I go talk about Blackman. Me I talk about the Quadruple Mvrder star. And I just kinda give my opinion and my analysis on certain things that's going on in Jamaica. I mean, I was just discussing this with a friend of mine. I am not gonna call her name. And yo, she is an American woman, very beautiful. And when I was explaining it to her, the kind of crime and killing and murder that's coming out of Jamaica, you should hear some of the expression the lady was giving, like, what the fuck? She was like, oh no. And on top of that, you have that little 8-year-old girl also. So like Blackman Meddikk mother, 8-year-old girl, Quadruple Mvrder, Paulwell woman and Pickney missing. Like, what the fuck is going on in Jamaica? Now, this is Meddikk mother, and the lady went and did a protest, I think a day or a couple days ago, for her daughter, because her daughter is still missing. Listen, since the start of the year, reggae dub scene put out the statistic. It's nearly 1,200 murder, you know. It's like 11,150 murder. Out of that, we have 10 quadruple murder, you know. I think, like I said, I don't have the document in front of me, but y'all can check reggae dub scene and you will see it. It's vlogged. Yo, the quadruple murder 10, triple murder I think 150 or 120, double murder in the hundreds, thousands. I mean, we're not even talking about rape, cause in St. Anne's alone in St. Anne's alone, you have about 28 to 30 rape and murder of kids and women, and out of that you have 13 out of the 28, 13 of those that was raped and killed is kids. Raped and or killed. Because you have the young lady recently, her boyfriend or husband raped the little girl and kill her. Now you have this second one. That's what I know of. Directly, the uncle take her from the neighbor's house where the mama leave her, bring her to the family house where everybody live, and rape her and kill her. What is going on in Jamaica? And that me I try ask the community, me I ask people in the internet everywhere. What is really going on in our country?
And you insist on speaking on your behalf. Okay, well, that's what you have to say then.
Yeah, morning again, Chief. Morning, court.
I would like to
express who am I?
express,
What I have to say.
okay, concerning the sentencing.
Don't really care about the sentencing.
No, well, that is the point that we are at now. This is about the sentencing. So it is not a speech.
Yes,
Generally.
in regard about the
Sentencing now. So we're at the point now we're talking about what is the appropriate sentence for the offenses for which you have been convicted. That is what we're about at this point. And
Now, like me said, me I profile Blackman, and there's a couple different things point out to me, you know, with this young man right here. So, you know, you see this young man right here, he is a master manipulator. Cause if you hear the judge is telling them, listen bro, did you read the report? Him said, briefly, do you know your charges? Him say, yeah, my lawyer, debrief it. The judge went back to say, do you understand, did you read the report? And then Blackman quote said, quote unquote now, I leave it in your hands. Yo, this dude is a master manipulator, even though he not go to school.
don't know. They don't go see what the eyes see. No one know. The truth must be told. And by precept we come to understanding. I give orders, instruction. They were all under influence. Same for the witnesses. We get pardon. I don't know who pardoned them. By precept, all of them should have been pardoned. And you take me in account.
Now, me will go back to Meddikk Mother, but I want to talk about Blackman a little bit. And I did a lot of vlogs on him. You guys can go back and check. You see he's now getting sentenced, and we finally get a chance to hear what he sounds like. what the actual man sounds like, and we get a chance to peep into his mind and see how he is. And from me listening to these audio, I am convinced that Blackman is, and I'm going to use this term, fully dunce. Like I said, broke badness on top of fully dunce and disillusional. You understand? Now, I'm gonna play some more of his clip because I'm quite sure you guys have heard it already. But, because Sir P did a vlog on him and said Blackman turn preacher. I am not saying Blackman turn preacher in this, though. I said Blackman is a damn idiot. That's what I am gonna say. And I have some more things to say about this young man. But I'm gonna let you guys listen to this. Let's go.
Because it is clear that you are not fully aware of what the process is and what is involved. So I'm at a loss as to why you are insisting on pursuing this when it is clear that you do not know what you're about.
Maybe to the eyes.
I beg your pardon?
Maybe to the eyes.
No, well, I don't know about the eyes. I'm talking about what is going on here now.
They don't know. They only see what the eyes see. No one know. The truth must be told. And by precept we come to understanding. I give orders. Instruction.
Right there is a master manipulation move. Because if you notice, the judge is saying to him, listen, you don't know what you're getting into with this thing. You understand? That's why maybe you should have a lawyer. And he's like, he said to the judge, maybe to the eyes. You understand? So to the eyes, he might look like he's dumb or stupid, I don't know. But beyond that, he's something else. And that's pretty much what he's saying. He's saying, look, I look simple, I don't talk much. Because he doesn't speak much because he's uneducated. But he's very calculated. And he admits to giving orders to kill people. No, he has never said condolence to the people, family who he killed. He never stepped up in this end of the trial when you're getting sentenced, this sentence hearing. He should have been like, you know, I'm really sorry for blah blah blah, you know, and you know, he doesn't even have to use the word sorry, but show some sort of compassion for your victims. And he never did that. What he did, he tried to engage the judge in a mind game with some really crazy stuff, words and scriptures, and tried to get the judge to let his friends off. And not only that, you understand? On one reason why you hear him say him friends them forget free and him a go whatever withstand the charge. That's only because when he goes to prison, he wants to make sure that the rest of clansman them and the man them where they're in there make him look like a good guy and make people trust him and make certain win back certain trust and certain articleness from the gangster world. You understand? While he is in prison, because he has made up his mind to, and he knows he's gonna spend the rest of life in prison. So that's why he made that move. I'm just analyzing this guy.
Where investigators are currently investigating a case where 3 female and a male were killed at the house here earlier today. What we know thus far that sometime after 2 residents reportedly hearing explosions, and the police were alerted. When they arrived at the location, they found 4 bodies, a male and a female, inside the house. They are now trying to ascertain what is the motive behind this incident on this family.
This video is gonna be a very long video. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to end this video right here, and then in the part 2 I'm gonna talk about the quadruple killing, the rest of killings in Jamaica, and this little girl with them kill dog, the uncle, and couple other crimes. Like I said, there is 1100 crime, nearly 1200 murder dog in Jamaica, and we not even finished the year yet. There is over 10 quadruple murder in that island. Very, very, very dangerous place. So like I said, I'm gonna end this video now, because this video, if I continue this video, it's probably gonna be 40 minutes long. I'm gonna do it in 2 parts. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I am really, really pissed off about Jamaica right now.